Hi, I'm Barb Pearson here at White Flower Farm in Litchfield, Connecticut. We love to grow heirloom tomatoes in containers. You know, they're so easy just to plant a tomato in a container, but there's some things you need to know to make sure you have a great harvest at the end of the season. Make sure that you use a pot that's large enough. We recommend at least 14 inches. And when you plant your tomato, you're going to remove some of the bottom leaves and plant it as deep as you can. Another thing with heirloom tomatoes in containers is that we recommend a potting mix plus compost combination. So 2/3 potting mix with 1/3 compost. Make sure after you plant your tomato that you put your support in. All tomatoes, especially heirloom varieties, need some sturdy, either a tomato cage or in this case we're using bamboo. So plant your tomato, put your support in, and make sure you water it thoroughly after planting. Also, plants in containers have to have fertilizer. So at least once a month during the growing season, as your tomato is growing up and you're giving it support, you're going to make sure that you're using fertilizer at least every 2 weeks while it's growing. Once your heirloom tomato comes into fruit, it's time to hold back on the fertilizer. Make sure you don't overwater it when it's in fruit. You'll have gorgeous fresh tomatoes in the heat of the summer for your kitchen. I'm Barb Pearson here at White Flower Farm in Litchfield, Connecticut.